G'day guys, Fatty here. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing good this lovely day. And I'm going to jump straight on into the video today. Today I'll be showing you how to make a bootable USB in Linux Mint. So what you will need is a minimum 8 gig stick, USB stick. You'll need the Rufus USB tool, which I will put a link in the description below, and an ISO of Linux Mint, or whatever Linux distro you want to use. So let's jump on in. So what we're going to do is, I already have it all up and running. So we need the image, so wherever you store it, download it on your PC, you can find it. So we just click Linux, the ISO. I've got it on my desktop, so it's easy. Click open. And all we have to do is click start. How easy is that? And then just go OK to that one. And if it doesn't work, then try the other option. And it'll ask you if you want to format it. Go OK. And it does a quick delete of the partitions, and it's copying it over. It's very, very easy to make. So, and I chose to use the latest version of Linux Mint 21. I think it's Vanessa off memory. I think on the website it said Vanessa. I've had previous versions of Linux like 20 and 19 and 18, but never tried the 21, so nevertheless I thought I'd give it a go. So as you can see, it's copying all the files over, and you pretty much, it's all preset on this USB tool Rufus. Like I said, at the time of recording this video, the latest is 3.2.1929, and the latest version of Mint is 21. So it's cinnamon, but you can get different versions, and it's good. So we're at 94%. See how quick that is? And I have done previous videos on how to make a bootable Windows 10 USB, how to make a bootable Windows 11 USB. So if you've missed those videos and you want to check it out, I'll put a link for them videos in the description below. And hopefully it helps someone. So sometimes doing these computer related things for some people are very daunting. So if I can help someone, it makes me feel happy as a content creator, knowing that my videos have a purpose in being able to help someone. And we're at 94%, so it does hover around 94% for a bit, but then it does a jump. So for some weird reason, whenever I've done a Linux Mint USB, most of the time it'll sit at 94. Some of them sit at 92, and then they'll just jump up to like 96 or 97. I don't know why it does that. It's strange. Maybe someone knows. But and yes, I do realize I'm using the file system FAT32. You can use either NTFS or FAT32, but it's better to use it. And it did do a jump straight to 98.9, and it will be done in a couple of minutes, less than 2 minutes, and we're done. So if you go to where your USB drive is, fortunately I've got it here on the taskbar here, as you can see. It is labeled Linux Mint, and I can refresh that. It labels it for you. It labels it Linux Mint. So, and that's how to create a bootable Linux USB, guys. Now all you'll have to do is simply reboot your PC if you want to do a fresh install. If you're using Windows, then just do a fresh install. Well, no matter what you're doing, do a fresh install. And set it in your BIOS as bootable, boot from USB. It could come up automatically, and then simply install it. And I believe it does do a live. The previous version's done a live Linux, so you can check it out before you install it to your hard drive. I'm not sure if this one does, because I haven't actually tested it yet. This is the first time for 21 for me. I have used Linux Mint before. But that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. And consider subscribing. Take care, guys, and Fatty is out.